Adventures. And I am here with my girl Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor.
Hi
Anna.
everyone, welcome to the Grace Life.
And we are here with some good news for you today. We are starting a brand new monthly open collab. Anna, you want to tell them about it?
Yes, so every month we are going to be hosting our collab on every second Saturday of the month, and we are going to include a Decorate With Me, a DIY, tablescapes, tier trays, mantles, vignettes, you name it. If it's over the top and it's glam, we're doing it.
That's right. Whatever works best for your niche.
Yes.
So just bring it in a classy, sophisticated style. I'm talking upscale, over the top fierceness, honey, because you know how your girl Amethyst loves to bring it. Yes. So we are bringing it to you. And our name, we are calling ourselves the Ladies of Elegance.
Yes.
And the Ladies of Elegance present to you every second Saturday of the month, Sophisticated Saturdays.
Yes, and we would love for you to come out and support us, and we just can't wait to have you. So be glam, and
be elegant, and
be
be there. Okay? Be there.
Yes.
That's the most important thing, because we really need your support.
Yes, yes.
Yes, cheers to that, honey.
To new beginnings.
New beginnings. We are so excited about bringing you this new monthly collab. So join us.
I'll see you in the next video, guys.
And until next time.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.